At later this month, isa pang basketball program na mag-feature ng top young talent sa bansa ang magaganap, ang Slam Rising Stars Classic. Dito mapapanood ang best high school players ng Pilipinas. At makakasama natin ngayon sa studio ang ilan sa mga manlalaro. Kasama natin sina Dave Ildefonso, Juan Gomez Deliano, Sam Abuhijle at Ryan Amsali. Good evening, guys. Welcome to The Score. Good to see you. May mga comebacking Slam players from last year and some new kids. Let's go from left to right. Let's start with Dave. Dave, can you grab the mic? First of all, syempre, actually, kahit di ko makita pangalan mo, sa mukha mo pa lang, namumukha na kita. Anak na anak ka ng daddy mo, si Danny Ai. Your dad, of course, had a great PBA career. Your brother is already nasa Ateneo Seniors team. Kamusta yung pressure sa'yo na kahit pa paano sumunod sa footsteps nila and make your own name in basketball?
Well, yung pressure naman po para sa akin is, as for me, is a challenge.
Okay.
And I really don't want to live up to the hype. I just want to make my own path at just keep working hard and andyan naman si tatay na parang mentor sa akin.
Okay.
And alam ko naman na ginagabayan din ako ni God at kaya ko rin naman na malampasan pa yung nagawa ni tatay para sa
Now,
country.
one thing that a lot of people are surprised sa'yo is hindi big man ang laro mo, like your dad
Opo.
at your kuya, ikaw, guardia. Paano nangyari yun? Hindi ka ba nahawa sa kanila na puro loob ang laro nila?
Yung nung nasa grade school pa po ako, at saka sa first year ko sa high school, big man pa po ako.
Okay.
Nung simula nang mag-tryout ako sa Batang Gilas, kinailangan ko na po kasi mag-change ng positions.
Okay.
Sinabi na rin po sa kanila, Coach Mike at ng tatay ko na kailangan ko maglaro sa wing. At kaya kami dalawa ng tatay ko, dinevelop namin na mas mag-improve ako at mag-change ako ng position.
So doon nagsimula yun.
Opo.
So, and as well, going to the seniors, eventually, makakatulong
Opo.
din sa yun. Okay. Juan naman, first of all, congrats. I think I haven't seen you since you won your juniors MVP trophy. I remember I saw you before. We went to Taiwan with Steph Curry and all. But how's the ride been for you? Nag-slam ka na last year. Ang ganda na naman ng season mo this year, winning an award pa the UAP. Kamusta ang basketball career mo? How happy are you with the way it's been going so far?
It's been great. I've been through a lot, especially sa summer pa lang. You know, and I've been through like a lot of events, Curry Camp, and then yun, just proved myself na I'm the MVP of the.
Well, you're joining your brother in UP. Was it a hard decision to make? And I say this kasi kwento ko lang, yung mga Teng brothers na nalaman ko to from their dad, nasadya nilang hiniwalay. Kasi gusto nila, they make their own path in separate schools. Para sa inyo, what was that decision like? Was it a family decision na you'll join your brother in UP? Or was it purely your decision?
It was actually my decision
Okay.
because I've been teammates with my brother like ever since, and
Okay.
parang just our bonding together, parang it's inseparable.
So na-miss mo siya actually this year.
Yeah.
So because of that, you just want to keep playing with him.
Yeah, because it's way easier if you play together. Kasi brothers kami, we know what we're capable of doing on the court.
Right. At hindi naman kayo, wala kang worry na magkakasapuan ng pwesto. You actually complement each other well.
Yeah, wala naman.
All right. Well, we're looking forward to see you in UP Seniors team next year. For Sam naman, I saw you na last year in the Rising Stars, and a lot of people are impressed that amidst your width, ang sipag mo, ang bilis mo, how do you think this can help you move to the next level na, you know, you might not be as tall as the other traditional bigs, pero may kakaibang agility ka na nakakatulong?
Siguro sa high school ay advantage talaga yung mga nagagawa ko. Pero coming in college, siguro I need to improve more and I have one more year pa naman.
Yeah, one more year. What's it like though? San Beda always contender, always expected to be there at the top. Kamusta yung program na nakatulong sa'yo? How has it helped you develop your game?
Sa San Beda, grabe kasing improvement na makukuha mo. Like, from mag-start ka as zero para mag-improve lahat ng mga magagawa mo. And as a contender, siguro, lahat ng kalaban kasi namin iniisip namin, or lahat ng laban namin iniisip namin parang championship. So, yun lang talaga yung mentality namin as a team.
All right. Ryan naman, your first time as well for Slam this year. Pero ang kwento sa'yo, kakaiba na last year talagang sumabay ka kay Justin, tinuturing mong kuya. And of course, we saw him with NU Juniors go to Lasal na. Kamusta yun? Was there pressure para sa'yo na, kumbaga, ipuno mo yung gap na nawala si Justin, na you had to fill the role for the big man para sa NU Juniors?
Siyempre po may pressure din. Pero ginagawa ko po siya as motivation kasi hindi mo naman hindi mo naman mababalik yung isang player na umalis na.
Napaghandaan ba niya ikaw kahit papaano nung bago siya umalis? Marami siyang naturo sa'yo, nag-guide ka niya nung yung last year niya. Nakatulong ba yun sa'yo para mahanda ka for this year na wala na siya at ikaw na yung main big man?
Opo, kasi sabi niya nung nasa team pa siya, sabi niya, Ryan, ikaw na yung sunod dyan kay John Lloyd. Dapat practicein mo na ngayon pa lang para pagka ikaw na yung sumalang ikaw na magli-lead sa team, parang wala, ay kaya ko na to. Kaya ko na to. Tinuruan na ako ni Balti.
Laking tulong yung, kumbaga yung payo na yun, naka-boost ng confidence sa'yo yun?
Opo, sobrang naka-boost talaga sa akin. Doon na nag-start na hard work na ako lagi. Inisip ko lagi, sinasabi ni Balti sa akin, dapat galingan ko lagi.
Galing. Okay, so Dave, go back to you. Your first time na mag-slam this year. Kamusta nung nalaman mo, nasama ka sa slam, what was your reaction at anong expectation mo? How excited are you to be a part of this special event?
Syempre po, excited kasi last year, nakikita ko yung kuya ko na naglalaro sa slam. And nung nalaman ko na nakapasok pala ako, syempre, masaya kasi galing from season 78 na hindi naman talaga nakakalaro. And incoming this season, naka-achieve ako ng mga na-achieve ko at I saw na talaga yung my hard work really paid off.
Grabe, your minutes pa lang, 31 minutes a game ka na ngayon. Last year talagang limited yung time mo. Juan, balik slam. You're coming back for a second time this year. Last year was a super competitive game. I remember I called that game. Buzzer beater ba ata yun, di ba, yung Minesio, towards the end. But what are your expectations now that you've had one run? Siguro less ka ba? Anong ina-expect mo to experience this time around?
Just gonna play my game lang. Just go all out as soon as I get into court.
Enjoy na kagad.
Just enjoy because it's like last game ko na like as a high school player.
Sam, para sa'yo? Anong inaasahan mo para sa second time around ulit sa Slam Rising Stars?
Siguro nga yung sinabi rin ni Juan, tama yun. Just play your game, enjoy. And my team and I will try to make it 1-1 with one.
Kasi magkalabang kayo last year. Okay. Ryan, ikaw, kamusta? Bilang first-timer dito sa Slam Rising Stars, anong inaasahan mong experience para sa'yo?
Siyempre po naisip ko yung mga sinawan para expectation ko parang lakas ng mga makakalaban ko. May pressure din konti. Pero kaya naman po.
Kaya naman. It's gonna be fun. So kami bilang sa Sportscasting World, nagpapasalamat kami sa ginagawa ng Slam na we get to see you guys, a preview of the future Philippine basketball. Kadalasan kasi pag pumapasok kayo sa mga seniors, hindi namin napapanood yung juniors game. So everybody gets a taste of the best of the best. So good luck to all of you, Dave, Juan, Sam, Ryan. Thank you. We'll see you all, pati sa NBTC actually, we'll see you within the week. Busy kayo. And with the Slam Rising Stars Challenge as well, coming up very soon. So thanks and good luck. Salamat. Thank you. All right.
Hi guys, keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.